Little look at XRP then on the daily time frame. Going to keep it pretty short and sweet because there's not that much to talk about with XRP. Still ultimately consolidating within this, what is it, 5-6 year now? 6-year coil and consolidation that we have been seeing here. You can see obviously we came up and made the all-time high at around $3.50, $3.30 you would say. Came down for that bear market low down here around 12 cents here. We'll be looking at 11 cents at that swing low of that overall crazy Fibonacci. We obviously came up, started doing well for XRP, but then the lawsuit happened, and then we did get a somewhat of a pump, but not anywhere near the all-time highs previously at around 190 there for XRP. We headed into the bear market again, but we made a new swing low, and a higher low, I should say, sorry, a new higher swing low at around 30 cents. Started to pick up here. We got some bullish news about the lawsuit. We came up, tested our Fibonacci level, sold off. And then as you can see now in this local area, really just been chopping sideways, not doing too much in the way of any significant price action for XRP really in the past 6 to 12 months at all. Really just going sideways, not doing too much. As we can quite clearly tell here, we have just basically been chopping sideways between these two levels of around 30 and 55 cents for it, basically the whole bear market. And then now, as we can see, we've got a break of that bear market resistance of the previous bear market, the back test, and then we are looking like now, we look like we might start getting some continuation for XRP in this local area. You can see the resistance formed here. We are closing above that now, and also closing above the 050 again, with Bitcoin looking very bullish as well. And you really, if you start getting above these levels here, 70 cents, really there's not much resistance apart from 80 cents here, and then that $1, 90 cents I should say, sorry, 0618 Fibonacci. Obviously we did come up and pretty much touch $1 on most exchanges with that massive lawsuit news pump. But right now, as you can see, XRP is just still within this massive coil here, and really what we want to be seeing in this bull market is getting above the 618, heading up here, and then getting above and closing above this massive resistance level. Huge 5-year bear market resistance level for XRP. 6 years now, isn't it? If we start closing above around, I'd say, if comfortably heading up towards 150, closing up here, back testing, and then continuing, I think we'll finally see XRP have its time in the sun after such a long time. And as you can see, we've got some very nice Fibonacci extension targets. I think we could easily get up towards $10. This 141 here around $14, a very nice target as well. I do think once it's unleashed and all this lawsuit stuff is put to bed, which I think will happen this year as well, we're definitely going to see some really nice price action for XRP. At least $10, probably more like $20, $30 in my opinion. I think that 161 up at $27, that fabled $27 level that people talk about, very possible. Obviously we've got some ridiculous extensions above a $100. Who knows what will happen once we see XRP get that financial clarity finally of that lawsuit being put to bed, going into a bull market this year. Who knows what could happen. All I know is that we are going to be seeing some nice gains for XRP, in my opinion, over the next few years. So right now, just chilling. Obviously we can see pullbacks in the meantime, but really, I mean, what can phase an XRP holder at this point? I think people are just going to be waiting for those big prices now.